Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will move on to reputation. The reputation. Some of the people they are very interested in wealth, money, and some of the people, on the other hand, they will be interested in reputation, particularly when you are having some wealth in your hand. Then some people will consider whether I can be famous in some aspect. So they will try to let people know them through some luxurious material, sometimes through participating in some social activities, sometimes through their own performance in particular knowledge area, so on and so forth. So whenever people they would like to have good reputation, they try to do something. So today we talk about how our faith analysis can let you know whether you are having reputation in the coming times. So reputation, how can people know whether they are having good reputation in coming times? Today I introduce a technique they call the face reading and palm readings. Face reading and palm reading in China, it happened very, very long time ago, over 3,000 years ago. In the time they call the Zhou dynasty. The Zhou dynasty, they have two periods. One is called the Chunqiu, another period is called Zhanguo. It's the warfare fight against each other before the Qin dynasty. So this Zhou dynasty in Chunqiu, at that time, they don't look at the face of people. The origin is they look at the face of the horse. They try to see whether the horse this horse is a good horse or a bad horse, and what its performance is. They try to read the face. And later on, people develop a basic theory telling you about how to read your faces. In a book introduced you is called the Bingjian. It is the eyes classics. In fact, it's not talk about eyes. It's talk about face reading and palm reading. Face reading and palm reading. In face reading, for example, they tell you how to read the face of the people. They say you have the 4 aspects to analyze face of the people. First is the shape of the face. The shape of the face. Circular, regular, triangle, whatever. The shape of the face. Another is the spirit appear of the face. The spirit means, how do you know the spirit of the people? From this face reading, they say you know the spirit people through the eyes. You look at the eyes. If the eyes can show you confidence, if the eyes can show you different expressions, then they can judge through the eyes. Thirdly, they look through the air of the face. How you know from Western point of view, it's impossible to understand how you mention the face and the air in the face. And air in the face means, make it more concrete, is the respiration. How you breathe and express in your face. If you breathe fast, then they have different characters, and then if you breathe slow, then they have different meanings. Fourthly, is the color of your face. The color of the face. So in these 4 areas, the shape, the spirit, the air, and the color of the face, they make judgment on whether you have a good reputation. Basically, if somebody have good reputation, they will show it in your face. Normally, according to this kind of face reading books, they mean you have a regular face, and you have a sharp angle sharp expression from your eyes, and you have a steady breathing process, and also you have a light color, particularly a red color in your face. Then these sort of people, they will have a very good reputation. Normally they are prominent people in the society, they are powerful people, they are well-educated people, and they are wealthy people, etc. and etc. If you're interested, then you can get some books talking about face reading in China. You may find a translation of this kind of expression of this book somewhere else. Then you can have taste of how Chinese people, they see how people have good reputation from our very old tradition. So it is one of the angles of the faith, and next time we'll talk about the love affairs, the sentiment. Thank you very much.